Hello guys, good evening. How are you all today? How was your day going so far today? It's a cute heart, a double heart. Anyway, I just want to ask how was your whole day? I hope and pray that everyone is okay, always strong and healthy, no sickness, out of danger. Anyway, before I'm going to sleep, I just want to say have a good night's sleep everyone, and see you tomorrow. I miss you all guys. Anyway, my is baligtad. Because this side is itchy. That's why I make itchy in the skin. That's why this one is more soft the other side. That's why I make baligtad this one. It's wrong side. Ay, waritalo. Wrong side. Anyway, I miss you all because so long. How many days I won't do this because every time I finish my work, I'm already tired and so sleepy. That's why very seldom I can do like this. And now, because I have a little time and I miss you all guys, that's why I try to make a video, this kind of video, so that I can talk to you also a little bit before going to sleep. Anyway, have a good night sleep everyone and see you tomorrow. Good night and sweet dreams. I miss you all and I love you all. Bye. Bye bye everyone.